Should we try to like bite one side each? Well, no, I mean. Hey guys, James and Mark here with another mukbang. Today we are doing something that a lot of people have been doing on YouTube lately.
Yeah.
Popularized by Eat with Kim, sausage, cucumbers, and rice. That's it.
That's a complete meal.
Yeah, 2 types of sausage that Mark cut up in like diagonal medallions or whatever you want to call them. 2 sizes of cucumbers because I didn't know what to pick up at the market earlier, and 2 bowls of white rice.
You have something else right here.
Yeah, I decided to make like basically like a butter sauce. It has butter, Old Bay seasoning, and garlic. That's it. So I'm gonna actually put a little bit of it right on top of the sausage.
Oh my gosh.
Kind of kick it up a notch.
I see a lot of garlic
Yeah, we're gonna be making out later.
with the cucumbers.
However you want. Probably takes you back to your old dieting days, no?
Cucumber and V8.
Did that work?
Mm-hmm.
We don't recommend that diet plan.
Okay.
I don't really like cucumbers as much. How about you?
I love cucumbers. Cucumber
sausages
kimchi, cucumber tomato salad.
Wow, the sauce I made kind of reminds me of like what you get at like a seafood boil, Cajun type style, right? Mark was cute earlier. He was like, "Do I have to eat with my hands?" I was like, "No, we can use utensils." It's okay. You still starved? Cheers. Supposed to eat these like big cucumbers too, or is this like kale at a buffet where it's just for decor? I like how you did the little
Do you like it?
design. Yeah.
Is to kind of make it a little bit more appetizing because, I mean, can you imagine just eating it when it's all like dark green?
Should we try to like bite one side each? Well, no, I mean, I was thinking on the same one.
Oh. Okay, you
Wait, how do I-
You give me the thicker end.
Cause you're a pro.
Okay.
I think our relationship's to a whole new level.
That gave me a new sensation feeling that I've never felt with anyone before.
You just want it. You look like you're about to sing or break out in song. You keep like.
I mean, if you're on a diet, you don't even need the rice. Just
Yeah.
eat this and this. Like, this is like salty garlicky. This is plain. This helps wash it down.
Can you imagine just eating like, you know, one hand has the cucumber, the other hand has the sausage without it cut, and you're just. They're both hot links, but they were just different brands. I got one because one looked like fluorescent pink. I was like, oh, let's just get that for shock factor. So if you're watching this, Kim, I hope we did you proud.
Thank you.
I secretly hope that we'll run into her one day because we're not. We live in like neighboring cities, so like every time I don't want to be stalkerish, but every time we're at Target, I'm like, maybe she's here. She's always at Target, and then Cajun places. That's the other place you'll like find her. You like eating the bigger ones versus the smaller ones?
No.
I have another small one here.
No,
You already ate your first one? Wow.
I'm already committed.
So the cucumbers is great with this because this is a little bit
Salty.
salty and oily. So having like the balance of the fresh cucumber is nice. I don't know if it's a Vietnamese thing, but like growing up, a lot of times it was rice, some dish, and then sliced cucumbers. So maybe that's why, like, you know, I didn't like cucumbers as much because I always ate it growing up.
Well, for me, especially like during maybe for sure after I gained my freshman 15, So literally, I gained a lot of weight after first year of college.
So that's a real thing.
It is a real thing, but I think mine was more 10 pounds. But my mom, like every time I go home to visit, like on the weekend or whatever, you know, I'm looking forward to like a home cooked meal because sometimes dorm food is like whatever's. And she would give me like a little bit of meat, a little bit of rice, and maybe like a whole family of cucumber slices to eat with samjang.
Which is
So,
good.
but I was like, oh no, I kind of want more food, but I got used to the cucumber slices. It kind of made me not needing to drink water with my food.
Oh,
Like I
because
never got thirsty.
Well, hey, how about this? Can we tell the story about Pride a few weeks ago? This one over here, you know, we had a good time. This was LA Pride. And I don't know what happened, but I had to take my friend to the porta potties because there was a group of 4 and we kind of had to just pair up. So I take him over there and then I leave Mark behind and he was at a Pavilions, which is like a store. And I'm thinking to myself, okay, good. He can grab water and be hydrated on the car ride back because, you know, LA to Orange County is like, what, 40, 50 minutes. I show back up to the place and what do you have in hand?
A tray of cucumber slices.
And I'm like, what is that for? And he's like, well, well, one, you're hungry.
And I was thirsty.
It was a hot day.
Yeah. And everyone that we were with in the Uber ride back loved the cucumber slices. They thought it was the best idea.
I didn't like it because by the end of the car ride, there was a bunch of cucumbers on the floor and I had to pick them all up because I didn't want my Uber rating to go down. I was like, what? And then the next morning, which was even more hilarious, was you guys were like, there were cucumbers? I have a little bit of rice left, but I'm gonna
Oh my gosh.
make a little bit of garlic butter rice because
Why not?
why not, right? I ate all these cucumbers and I'm like healthier now, right?
Well, your rice to sauces ratio might be off.
I've been eating a lot of rice. It's really good.
I'm gonna make a little.
What is that?
I made a little chair for him.
And you're gonna eat him and the chair.
Simple.
It's simple and affordable. I think each sausage was like $3 to $4, and then the cucumbers, I don't even know. Do you think I got organic or non-organic?
Oh, I hope you got organic. No?
Organic one was like $2 more each for everything.
Well, I made dinner last night, and then I had to pick up some parsley. So I picked up parsley first, and then I went down further in the produce lane, and then I saw organic parsley. So I put the first parsley out of my plastic bag, put it back into that section, and picked up the organic one. Because I think about you.
Oh. I think about you because I'm trying to save us money. You're thinking about us because you're like health. So like, which priority is more? Right?
Hell.
Really? There's some days where I question if that's really the case. This is actually really good like this. I think I enjoy this more because of the sauce.
Oh, the spoon's all buttery. How'd you eat the? How are you using your spoon? It almost slipped out of my hands. Oh, hold on. It's like I need to use my napkin over it.
Okay, drama. You guys think he changed after that no utensil challenge? I think it made it worse. Right? It's like this rice, it just absorbs everything in that butter sauce.
Give me my cucumber back.
So a real quick story about the coldest water. My parents messaged me yesterday thinking that we just get free water bottles. So they said, can you just get me one? And I was just like, well, yeah, I have to buy it. And they're like, you have to buy it? And I was like, yeah, we just don't get free water bottles to give to people. I wish we were like Ellen and we could do that.
Oh. Whoa.
Final verdict, would we do this again?
If we want an easy weekday night meal, I think this is a fantastic idea.
Yeah, I definitely would do it again.
Maybe for
It's-
you, the smaller cucumber.
Yeah, I prefer the smaller cucumbers. That's why I'm with Mark. No? Hello? Before you guys go, make sure you guys check out our community tab. We're going to be doing a Q&A very soon. So we'd love to make sure we get to all of your questions. Check out other videos on our channel, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!